If you see thick white smoke coming from your exhaust and it does not disappear within a few minutes of idling or driving, you may already have coolant leaking inside your engine. And if that continues happening every time you drive, you could be making the damage even worse. However, not all white smoke from exhaust means disaster. Sometimes it could be harmless and completely normal, especially when it is just mere condensation from a cold morning car engine. And the other times it's the very first warning sign of a blown head gasket that hasn't triggered overheating yet. The difficult part is that both situations look the same at first glance. Thin white smoke from the exhaust when starting car can be harmless. Thick white smoke from exhaust while idling or accelerating can be serious. And if you drive diesel, the diagnosis changes again. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to tell the difference between normal steam and internal engine damage, how to test it yourself before paying a mechanic, and the one symptom that almost guarantees it's not just condensation. Because the difference between harmless white smoke in the morning and a $3,000 repair comes down to knowing what to look for. Now let's clear this confusion up. When you see white smoke from the exhaust, only three real things are happening. It is either condensation turning into steam, coolant entering the combustion chamber and burning, or in the case of a diesel engine, unburnt fuel exiting the exhaust. That's it. White smoke is not oil burning. That would be blue smoke from exhaust. It is not an overly rich air-fuel mixture, which would be black smoke from exhaust. White smoke means moisture. The real question is whether that moisture is harmless water or engine coolant. If you notice white smoke from the exhaust on startup that disappears within a few minutes, especially when the engine is cold, that is often completely normal. Overnight, moisture builds up inside the exhaust system. When you start the engine, the heat turns that moisture into steam. That steam exits as thin white smoke from exhaust, and once the system warms up, it goes away. This is why many people search white smoke from exhaust on startup then goes away, because they see it briefly and then it disappears. If there is no sweet smell, no rough idle, no coolant loss, and the engine runs smoothly, what you're seeing is simply condensation. Nothing more. However, the situation changes when the smoke does not disappear. If you see thick white smoke from exhaust that continues even after the engine warms up, or if you notice white smoke from exhaust while idling at traffic lights, or even worse, white smoke from exhaust when accelerating, that is when you should start paying attention more carefully. Coolant contains antifreeze, and antifreeze has a distinct sweet smell. When coolant leaks into the combustion chamber and burns, it produces dense white smoke. This is often caused by a blown head gasket, a cracked cylinder head, a damaged intake manifold gasket, or even a failed EGR cooler. To be sure of this and before you head to a mechanic, I want you to perform a quick scent or smell test. This is the fastest way to separate harmless steam from a blown head gasket problem. Walk to the back of your car while it's running. Please do not put your face directly in front of the tailpipe. You don't want to directly inhale carbon monoxide from the pipe. Instead, use your hand to gently waft the exhaust toward your nose, just like you're smelling a candle. If it smells like nothing or just a bit of damp air, that's your confirmation that it is just condensation. But if you catch a scent that is undeniably sweet, almost like maple syrup or candy, then it is the smell of burning glycol. Antifreeze. This confirms that the internal sealing has failed, typically at the head gasket, intake manifold, or a cracked cylinder head, allowing pressurized coolant to enter the combustion chamber. If this sweet scent is present, the next step is a cooling system pressure test or a combustion leak block test to locate the exact point of intrusion. You can begin the cooling system pressure test by making sure the engine is completely cool, then removing the radiator cap and attaching a cooling system pressure tester in its place. Pump the tester to the manufacturer's specified pressure, usually matching the radiator cap rating, and watch the gauge for 10 to 15 minutes. If the pressure drops without any visible external leaks, coolant may be escaping internally into the combustion chamber. Next, perform a combustion leak block test by inserting a block tester tool with the supplied chemical indicator fluid into the radiator neck or coolant reservoir while the engine is warm and running. As you draw air from the cooling system through the fluid using the hand pump, observe any color change, typically from blue to yellow, which indicates exhaust gases are present in the coolant and confirms an internal leak such as a blown head gasket, cracked head, or damaged block. Now, one of the most dangerous situations is when you have a car blowing white smoke but not overheating. Many drivers assume that if the temperature gauge is normal, everything must be fine. That is not true. Early-stage coolant leaks can allow small amounts of coolant into the combustion chamber without immediately raising engine temperature. Over time, that leak can grow worse, and once overheating begins, the damage escalates rapidly. Engines do not repair themselves. Small internal leaks become large ones. Minor gasket failures become warped cylinder heads. Pay attention to patterns. If your white smoke from exhaust only appears in the morning and fades quickly, that is one thing. If it gets heavier when you press the accelerator, that is something else entirely. When you accelerate, cylinder pressure increases. If there is a weak head gasket, that pressure forces more coolant into the combustion chamber. This is why white smoke from exhaust when accelerating is often a stronger indicator of head gasket failure than smoke at idle alone. Now let's talk about diesel engines because white smoke from exhaust diesel behaves differently. In a gasoline engine, white smoke almost always points toward coolant. In a diesel engine, white smoke from exhaust diesel engine is frequently caused by unburnt fuel. Diesel engines rely heavily on heat for ignition, and when glow plugs are weak or failing, fuel does not ignite properly during cold starts. The result is white smoke from exhaust when starting. Once the engine warms up, the smoke may disappear. In that case, the problem is likely glow plugs rather than internal engine damage. Faulty injectors or incorrect fuel timing can also cause white smoke from exhaust diesel, and misdiagnosing that as a blown head gasket would be a costly mistake. There is also an important visual difference between light white smoke from exhaust and thick white smoke. Thin, almost transparent vapor that vanishes quickly is usually steam. Thick, lingering smoke that hangs in the air and carries a sweet odor is much more concerning. If the smoke continues after the engine reaches operating temperature, or if you notice coolant levels slowly dropping without visible external leaks, you need to investigate further. Sometimes you may even notice bubbles in the coolant reservoir or milky discoloration in the engine oil, both signs that coolant and oil may be mixing internally. The phrase, "what causes white smoke from exhaust," is one of the most searched automotive questions online, and the answer always comes back to those same core issues: condensation, coolant intrusion, or unburnt fuel. The key difference is duration and consistency. Temporary white smoke from exhaust when cold is usually normal. Persistent white smoke from exhaust while driving is not. The engine is either burning coolant or struggling to burn fuel properly. Fixing white smoke from exhaust depends entirely on identifying which category you fall into. If it is condensation, no repair is required. If coolant is entering the combustion chamber, a cooling system pressure test should be performed immediately. Combustion gas testing can confirm whether exhaust gases are entering the cooling system. Inspecting the head gasket, intake manifold gasket, and EGR cooler may be necessary. Replacing a head gasket without proper testing is risky and expensive. Diagnosis first, repair second. If you drive diesel and experience white smoke from exhaust when starting car that clears once warm, testing glow plugs and injector performance should be your priority. In many cases, replacing weak glow plugs resolves the issue entirely. Ignoring it, however, can lead to harder cold starts and increased fuel dilution over time. It is important to address the emotional side of this problem as well, because many drivers delay action out of hope. They convince themselves it will disappear. They tell themselves it only happens sometimes. But engines rarely give dramatic warnings in the beginning. They whisper first, "A little smoke here, a small coolant loss there." Then suddenly the whisper becomes an overheating engine on the side of the road. White smoke from exhaust is not always an emergency. In fact, in many cases it is perfectly harmless. But knowing the difference between normal steam and dangerous smoke is what protects your engine and your wallet. If the smoke disappears quickly, if there is no sweet smell, if coolant levels remain stable, you can likely drive confidently. If the smoke lingers, smells sweet, increases under acceleration, or is accompanied by coolant loss, do not ignore it. The most important takeaway is this: observe carefully before reacting emotionally. Notice when it happens. Notice how long it lasts. Notice whether it changes when the engine warms up. Notice whether you are driving diesel or gasoline. These small details determine whether you are dealing with condensation or internal engine damage. White smoke from exhaust can be normal. It can also be the first sign of a blown head gasket. It can be harmless morning steam. It can be coolant slowly entering your cylinders. It can be diesel fuel failing to ignite on a cold start. The difference lies in patterns, smell, duration, and engine behavior. If you have ever wondered what does white smoke from exhaust mean, now you understand the framework. Temporary steam during cold startup is normal. Persistent thick smoke, especially with coolant loss, is not. Diesel white smoke during cold starts often points toward glow plugs. And car blowing white smoke but not overheating does not mean you are safe. It may simply mean the failure is still in its early stage. The smartest drivers are not the ones who panic immediately, and they are not the ones who ignore symptoms either. They are the ones who observe, test, confirm, and then act. That is how you prevent a minor issue from turning into a major repair. So the next time you start your vehicle and see white smoke from the exhaust, you will not feel helpless or confused. You will know exactly what to look for. You will know whether it is normal condensation in the morning air, or whether it is time to inspect your cooling system or diesel ignition components. That knowledge is what keeps engines healthy and repair bills low. And sometimes the difference between a harmless cloud of steam and a $1,000 repair is simply understanding what your exhaust is trying to tell you. If you're worried this might be a head gasket, I made a full breakdown showing the early warning signs of a bad head gasket before total failure. Watch that next before you assume the worst. The video link will be below.